how to make an album on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually make an album on SoundCloud, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to make an album on SoundCloud, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then open the SoundCloud app, and then in order to create your own album you need to upload your own songs, and after you upload your own songs you can add those songs to your album. So to do this, all you have to do is first of all just tap on the upload icon from the top of the screen, then choose a music file that you want to upload over here. Just make sure to upload it and then just tap on the save button. Then once you've done that, you can basically just come to the feed tab and then you'll be able to see your music, and then you can add that to your album. Or else what you could do is just go to the library tab over here, and once you come to library you can go to albums, and you can see albums you have liked or created will show up over here. So basically any album that you've liked or created will show up over here if you want to find them later in the settings. And that's it on how you can make an album on SoundCloud. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.